Sir, the girl just woke up. Did she wake up? Huh? Hey, she's still sleeping.
This guy's insane. He has no clue about reality and dreams. Go wash your face and come. Maya, she's still sleeping. Can we arrange a doctor for her?
You don't know much about our team, right? We have everyone in our team. He's the doctor. His name is Prasad.
Hello.
I'm still curious on knowing what kind of a doctor he is.
Hey.
Hey, can you keep quiet? He is our beloved computer engineer, Mr. Karthik. Greetings, boss.
Oh.
Sure, of course. He's an expert in keeping the camera at the bathroom and watching it. He is our brother Shiva. Hi. He is an quarrelsome lawyer. In order to get justice, he will wake up at 7 o'clock and go to the court. He is Mr. Nattu. Hi. It's not just these people. There are plenty of people outside. All are one call away. They would pounce and do their job. All pawns are in our pocket. And now, he's Mr. Vijay Ram. He's the close head of our boss. From now on, it's our duty to follow his orders. Okay.
Dr. Prasad,
Yeah, tell me.
can you please look after her?
Okay. She had a minor injury. That's why she is in shock. For her to become conscious, at least it'll take 1 hour.
Okay.
Shiva? Huh? Karthi? Thanks, Maya.
Maya.
Prasad? Thank you so
buddy.
much, boss. Nattu? Party hard. Maya, it's the first time in my life I have earned so much money. Shouldn't I celebrate? Yes, we have to celebrate. Guys, don't be in a hurry. I myself need to.
Hello? Hey, hello? Hello? Rajesh? 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 Hello? 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 Anybody there? Hello? Hello? Help! Hello? Please save me! Please save me. Rajesh. I want to see my baby.
Madam, you're not audible right now. Please, there's a mic near the table. Switch it on and talk.
What happened to my baby and husband? If he comes to know that I'm locked here, he won't leave you!
Madam, your kid and your husband both are safe. It's been 3 years since you were unconscious. I'm looking at you through the CCTV camera. Don't try to escape from here. If you can cooperate a little, there'll be no harm to your husband and your kid. The next order will be coming from our boss. We'll let you know. You have to do it and you can leave this place. Understood?
Sir, I'm an ex-MLA, sir. Please don't hurt me, sir. Sir, please listen to me.
What, man? Isn't it enough what I saw in the assembly? Once you lost the position, you are selling CDs? And now, you have started browsing center everywhere? And you're spoiling young men by showing them adult films? You guys threaten the police who come to investigate because you're a politician. I have the law and order in my hands. Do you think I'll bow to you? Hey, I will give you 1 week's time. Every browsing center in the city must be shut down.
Is it only us? Lot of people in the city are doing
Hey,
it. Sir,
from now on, nobody should do this. Hello? Yes? Come in. Hey, wear your clothes.
Thank you, sir.
We shall meet again next week, okay?
Sir,
Okay.
next week also. Sir.
Go, man, go. Welcome, Ramesh.
Hello, sir. Sir.
Yes?
Sir, at 3 o'clock in the morning, a BMW car has met with an accident near the airport. The driver was dead on spot.
Any witness?
The accident happened at 3 o'clock in the morning. It was raining heavily, hence no one saw it. There are certain evidence of people traveling in the car and broken glass pieces in the back seat, also blood scenes.
Did you check the car thoroughly? Well, since it's BMW car, I think there may be some big shots involved.
Yes, sir.
Ramesh, immediately form a team.
Okay, sir.
And please make sure that this is not leaked to the media.
Okay, sir.
Use car number to trace it.
Hmm.
And make sure to update the case status, okay?
Okay, sir.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, hey, please come to me,
No, I will
Your
not
mom is
see
calling
it.
you. Look at
Hey,
her.
baby.
Mummy, Tanda.
Hey, Prabha, be bold, Prabha. You should not be scared for this one. Look, even the child is scared. What, Prabha? Do you want any help?
So you can do anything for me?
Definitely.
Anything?
You just order me.
Will you have this?
Hmm.
Can you have this?
Just for you. Anything else?
This oil?
Ah.
Hey! Rajesh! I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Rajesh. Rajesh. You said you'll do anything for me, Rajesh. Where are you? Where are you?
Isn't
Yeah.
it super?
Yes.
What is this, man?
The camera has been covered.
What are you looking at, man? Hey, remove that shirt, dude.
Yes, sir. We can never trust these girls ever.
Why? You should have removed that too, no? Hey, follow me, guys.
What she would have done by
What was she
covering the
doing with taking
camera?
his shirt out?
I don't understand anything. Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Get lost, idiot.
Please get in, sir.
Ramesh,
Sir?
Mr. Selvan,
Yes, sir.
you go check upstairs.
Definitely,
you
sir.
two guys check in the ground floor.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Check in this bedroom.
Yes, sir. We have got the travels bill. Let us inform to the ACP. Sir, they have booked tickets to go to USA.
City Travel Agency. Vishwanathan Rajesh. Okay then. Security,
Sir?
let me know if the house owner comes. You have
Yes,
to come
sir.
whenever we call.
Definitely, sir.
Okay?
Yeah, sir. Madam, it won't be of any help if you don't eat anything. Kindly eat.
Little.
No.
Hmm.
Rajesh, please.
Don't
I'm
say no.
done,
Eat a bit,
Rajesh.
Prabha.
No.
Please.
Hey,
For my
please.
sake. Hmm?
Okay.
Ah. Ah.
Enough.
If you want to escape from here, the plan is in the plate.
Oh my god. Oh god. I want to see my baby. Show me my baby. Please. Show me my baby. I want to see.
Madam, first I want you to eat, then I'll show the kid to you.
You are not humans. You have hostage my child. Without knowing whether my baby had food or not, how will I have? Okay, I'll do whatever you say. Please show my baby to me. Please.
Cool, madam. You want to look at your kid, right? Okay. Hey, she wants to look at the kid. Take it inside. Careful. Bring it in.
Our box idea is amazing.
Careful.
Even the police can't find it out. After all, it's us. Sir, please open the door.
Careful. Slowly. Wait.
What is this? You have put baby here. Yes,
Mummy, those people hid me in that box, Mummy.
Nothing will happen. Nothing. Nothing will happen. What?
Mummy, where is Daddy?
He will come, baby.
When will he come?
He will come.
I'm very hungry, Mummy.
You're hungry?
Hmm.
Okay. 1 minute. Wait a minute. There's no poison in this, right?
Your life is very valuable to me. You can trust me and eat it.
Is it good?
Hmm.
If you have stomach full, you'll not feel hungry. Okay?
Mummy, you also didn't eat, no?
I'll have after you finish having. Thank you, my baby. Have it. One more piece. Have it. It's good, no? You want water? Open your mouth. Okay, come on, have some more.
Hello, kid.
I want
What are you doing? Leave
Hey,
my baby,
leave her.
please. No.
Leave her.
No.
Come,
Leave my
kid.
baby. No. Don't do that.
Please sit down. Please
What
sit
are
down.
you doing? Leave him.
Close it, man. Close it.
Mommy.
Leave
Close
him.
it. Push it forward. Push it forward.
Isai, please.
Push it forward,
please.
man.
No.
Yeah, push it forward.
Isai.
Go inside.
Isai.
Go
My
inside.
Baby. My baby. They have taken the tickets from here. They should have traveled to US last night.
Can you confirm if they have traveled it yesterday?
Sure, sir. Hello, I'm calling from City Travels. Okay. Sir, they have not traveled yesterday night. They have not cancelled the tickets also.
Okay, do you have any other information about these passengers?
Oh, we have. They are the regular customers for us. US citizenship. Every once in a year they visit India.
Do you have their passport copy or visa copy? Can you please check it and let me know?
We have, sir.
Hmm.
This is their copy.
If you have their phone number, kindly note it in the backside. You told us that you tried connecting with them, right? Supposedly you get a call from them. Kindly inform me soon.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am. What's this, Maya? I can't find the toe ring, also the nuptial thread. Dude, she's from America. How can she wear the nuptial thread? What you told is right, Maya.
Now check what is she doing?
It's wow. Just look at the way her body is. Correct. It's just amazing. Yeah, man. Does she look like a mother of a 3-year-old? She looks like a beautiful college-going girl. It's Maya who knows everything about her. Huh. It would have been better if we had studied medicine rather than engineering. Yeah, that's true.
Mummy? 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 Mummy?
Isai! Baby, you came? You're coming.
Mummy? Open, Mummy.
Baby, I'm so sorry, baby. Are you hungry?
Maya, the kid has just run away there.
I'm right here. I will come. I'm not able to open this.
Hey, where are you going? Just come back.
No!
Mummy!
No!
Mummy!
Isai!
Mummy!
Bloody door! No! Please leave him!
I'm asking you to shut up. I just order you to be silent. This kid is bothering too much. Keep quiet.
Please leave him!
If you try to escape again,
No! Don't touch her!
hey, I'm saying you, just keep quiet. Tie her very hard, man.
What are you guys doing?
She tried escaping, sir.
So what? She's a kid, man. Come aside.
This small kid will never ever listen to us.
If she's not listening, you'll tie her up.
Yes, now he started.
What, kid?
I want Mummy.
You want to meet your mom, right? Come. Take it. Speak now.
Mummy! Mummy! This uncle is beating me.
Isai!
Mummy! Mummy, please talk, Mummy.
Why, baby? Why are you crying?
These uncles are beating me, Mummy. They are closing my mouth, Mummy. They are not allowing to meet you, Mummy.
You have to be patient, okay? You listen to me, right?
Daddy will come now, Mummy.
Daddy will come in sometime and he will take us both. Okay, na? Until then, be a good girl and you should not cry. Okay?
Okay, Mummy. Don't cry, Mummy.
Take the kid and look after her.
We should get scoldings because of her. Be careful while placing her. It's so foolish of us to let her go. Just get inside.
This is Adyar house. This is the spot where accident happened. We only see the car in the accident spot. We don't have any information about the people who are sitting in the car. We only have the number plate to trace. Then,
In the RT office, we investigated and found out Rajesh, Prabhavati, and Tamil Shekhar. These three people were supposed to travel to US today. Meanwhile, while we inquired about them in the travels, we got to know they didn't go to the US. It's not just that, the car in which they were traveling had met with an accident. That's the case. Those three people should have been in the car, but they are not. What happened to them is still a big question. Sir, in case they might have been admitted to the nearby hospital.
exactly. Within 10-kilometer radius, check all the hospitals. Whether there are any people who are admitted during that time. Okay? We are running short of time. Hurry up.
Maya, come here. What happened?
The girl just broke the plate.
Okay. 1 minute. Come here.
He started it again. What is he going to do now?
Yes, boss. Yes. Yes. Okay, boss. Green color box, huh? Okay, boss. Madam name? Chandralekha madam, huh? Okay, boss. I'll be there in 10 minutes. I'll be back in 30 minutes. No one should go inside. I'll be back. Come.
Just a while. There is supposed to be a button over here, right? It's my favorite star. Where's this lady?
Leave me!
Don't you want to see your baby? If you just adjust for 5 more minutes, I'll bring your kid over here. If I decide, I can make both of you escape from here. You won't believe me, right? What should I do to make you believe?
First bring my baby here. Later I'll believe in you.
That's it, right? Just stay here. I'll get her alone.
Shall we go near Mummy, Uncle?
Tun, 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 tun.
Mummy?
Look at her. I have given you whatever you demanded.
Baby. Baby, are you hungry? Huh? Do you want to have food? Shall I get you biscuit, chocolate? Please, to give it to baby.
Just give me a moment. I'll get it now.
He'll bring it, okay? Baby. Hey. Chocolate or biscuit? Chocolate or biscuit?
Chocolate.
Okay, chocolate for you. And I will open the biscuit bag. You first have biscuit and then have chocolate.
Huh?
Oh, 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 oh. Hey! Baby. Cute. Have it. Have biscuits, okay? Hey.
Why am I feeling that she's turning into a different mood? Hey, come here.
No, please,
Hey.
please. Hey,
Go.
Sai,
Hey,
come on,
go away.
Give it to me. Give her to me.
Hey,
Give
just
her
go.
to me.
Just go.
Sai,
Leave her.
Sai,
Leave her.
Please, leave her.
I'm saying leave her.
Mummy,
I'll
need
take her
my
now.
Mummy.
You're not supposed to scream. You're not supposed to scream.
Sai.
Mummy.
Please don't cry. Didn't I tell you? Silence.
Please give my baby to me.
Don't scream. Sit down. Sit down. Don't scream. Come on. How dare you? I tried helping you, and now you are aiming my gun towards me?
You think women are that cheap, huh? I will bloody kill you.
Hey,
You should do only what I say, man. Is it clear?
You're going to fire me now? Huh?
Close your eyes.
You're going to shoot me. Do you know what happens if boss gets to know?
Come here and pick his body.
So what happened to our daughter?
We too are investigating the same thing. You have only one daughter going to US. Where were you guys without giving her a send-off on that day?
No, sir. We got to know that one of our relatives died in Coimbatore. While we were returning from there, our car faced some problems. As soon as we returned our home, our security informed us. That's why we rushed here.
They're saying they met with an accident. She wasn't tolerating even a small hurt when she was a child, so.
Don't panic. Stay calm. We have been searching for her.
Are you also searching? Ayyo.
Hey, it's okay. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down, please. Please get the water, sir. Take it.
Hello? Which hospital? Okay.
Sir, they are in the ICU, sir. He is the MD.
Ayyo. Rajesh.
Rajesh?
Rajesh.
Please don't disturb. Doctor will
What
scold. Please
happened
go
to my
outside.
son-in-law?
Please go outside,
I
madam.
want to see my daughter.
What happened?
I'm the first person to attend him, sir. Late night, when I had just finished my operation, he had met with an accident already near the airport. He is unconscious. The driver in the front seat was already dead. As I had my own hospital, I called the ambulance and took them over here. As a doctor, you have seen an accident. Isn't your responsibility to inform the nearest police station? Were you unaware of it? I have done it, sir. When? It's been 12 hours. Which station? St. Thomas Mount. Whom did you speak to? SI or Inspector? I don't know. Is it SI or Inspector? But his name is KP Shiva. Sir, that KP Shiva is supposed to be here at any cost. Okay, sir.
How is the patient's condition now?
There's no much of a problem. As he's having a head injury, he's little bit unconscious. Otherwise, he's okay.
Did you see anyone else in the accident spot?
Nobody else, sir.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure.
Did you see any marks or did you see any blood stains?
I didn't find anything as such.
Can you tell me the time of the accident?
I crossed that place around 3 o'clock. While checking the bleeding condition, it might be around 2:30 to 2:40, sir.
All right, doctor. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Once the patient gets consciousness,
Definitely.
please inform us. I feel like something suspicious happening here.
Yes, sir.
Put 2 constables here.
Okay, sir. I think they might have been kidnapped.
You please send them to their house. Looks like they are very upset.
Okay, sir.
It's been 12 hours. Even now we haven't got any leads. Looks like a big crime is going to happen.
I just had a word with my boss. He told me to release you. Bring that table over here. Careful. The boss actually told me about his demands.
Really?
Bring that laptop here.
Slightly move it aside.
What should I do?
It's a small work, madam. Did you insert the data card?
Yeah, I get it.
Shiva, look after the kid. Madam, you have 120 crores in your account, right? If you transfer it to my account, your work is done. You can leave this place with your kid.
You had chosen the wrong person. How can I transfer 120 crores? You think I'm going to US just like that? I work there, sir. Monthly just 1 lakh salary. How mad you are.
You think you can play games with me? I know why you came to India from US. Where and all the properties you have. You just sold a land, right? The worth of that land? To which company you sold it? I know all the details about it. Your passport number, your citizenship number. I know all about it. Your passport number? DAV 5469. Your citizenship number? USB 422345. Is it correct? Now transfer it.
No, but still I can't transfer 120 crores. RBI rules won't allow this.
I know all about it. Your account is not an Indian account. It's an US account. Now you're transferring it to Child Trust account in Kenya. All the documents are inside over here. I just want you to sign it. That's it. Your work will be done. There won't be any other formalities. We have planned everything meticulously. Don't create a scene, just transfer it.
No, it is not possible.
Hey,
No. Hey, what man? What's wrong with you?
What's the use talking to her, sir? Sir, if we kill the daughter, she's going to automatically transfer the amount. Sir, let's chop her into
Hey,
pieces.
you guys think this is a trivial issue? It's 120 crores, man. Do you think it's easy? If we want the money, we have to surpass it. The only source we have is that kid. If we kill her, how can we get the money? Just pay attention to my plan, boys. We have to be very careful.
Yeah.
Leave it, man. I'll look after it.
Ah.
Understood?
Mm.
Sorry, madam. I'm extremely sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. But I can do this only after asking my husband. He's related to this. Give me the phone, I'll talk to him.
What, madam? Not just you. No one can talk to your husband right now.
Why?
Hey, show the photo, man.
Just look at this.
Rajesh? 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 Okay. Okay, I'll do it. Give me some time, please.
Sure. Take your own time. But keep it in mind, you cannot escape from this place.
Rajesh, what happened to you?
Where am I? Where is my wife Prabha?
Are you Rajesh? Rajesh, what happened to Prabha? Please lie down.
Son,
Leave me alone. I have
Please
to
lie
go.
down. Please lie down,
I
Rajesh.
have
Son,
zero
please
faith
take
in
rest.
the police
Take rest,
department.
Rajesh. Please don't get up. Please
My
rest,
wife
Rajesh.
and my
Please.
kids, I will definitely rescue
us.
them.
What
Please
is
get up.
happening?
Please get up.
I'll go.
Be careful.
I'll
Easily
go.
get up. Get up,
I
son.
don't believe anybody.
Get up,
Get up,
Rajesh.
son.
Please get up, Rajesh.
careful.
Rajesh, please.
I
No,
will rescue
Rajesh.
them.
Please don't go. Please
Leave
rest,
me.
Rajesh. Please,
First
Rajesh. Rajesh,
I'll
please
go.
don't go.
Son,
I'll
son,
go.
please listen to us. Doctor,
Doctor,
Son.
doctor, please come,
please go
doctor.
back.
Please come. Please.
No, sir, please get back. Please get back, sir.
Leave me.
You are in severe pain. Please get back.
Please.
Please get back, sir. You are not supposed to be here. Please go back. Please listen to us.
Please.
Prabha! 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 Prabha!
Sir, please listen to us. Please get inside. It's for your better good we are saying this. Nurse, just hold his hand. Hold his hand tightly. Don't get scared.
Like that.
No problem, no problem. Just stay still. Nothing's going to happen. Be careful. Calm down, calm down. Doctor, what's his condition? Please don't disturb us. Stay outside. If the patient has to be normal, kindly cooperate. If you stay here, it will be very disturbing. If there is anything, we are going to call you. Please stay outside. Please go out. Yeah, okay, sir. Yeah, please come. Sir is calling you. Okay, sir. Come here. Greetings, sir. Did you get the scan report? Yes, sir, we got it.
Sir.
Can I get you some tea?
Our mindset is not proper. Please leave it.
Your native is Coimbatore, is it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we have only one daughter. To see her in trouble, it's hurting us a lot, sir.
What is your son-in-law doing?
He works as software engineer in America.
How many days once he'll come to India?
They would come here yearly once, sir. My daughter would visit us very often, sir. After her marriage, it's been 5 years she's in America. He's an American citizen, sir. He's been there from a very long time.
Sir, he is very good. In these 5 years, he's never fought with my daughter even once, sir. They're made for each other, sir.
Then why is he in India for 6 months?
No, sir. In order to sell one of her property, she had come here, sir. The property is already sold, sir. All these things happened after the registration event, sir.
Do you have doubts on anyone else?
You remember that boy?
What is
Please
that,
don't say
madam?
anything. It's not like
Huh?
that. There's nothing as such, sir. There was a guy who loved my daughter a lot. He asked for her hand, but I denied, saying that I need a foreign son-in-law. All these things happened 5 years ago,
Look
sir.
here, sir. How many years, that is not important. What is the problem, you tell me.
Don't know, sir. He's
Sir,
not
do you
like...
think that boy would have done something to my daughter?
There's nothing
sir?
like that. Please be quiet. There's nothing like that, sir.
Okay, sir, you can leave.
Ah.
If you get doubt on anyone,
Hmm.
please call me. Sir, 1 minute.
Uh,
You told about that land sale, right?
Ah.
When did you do that?
it's been 1 month, sir.
How much amount?
120 crores,
What, sir? You are saying 120 crores so casually? You should have told this before.
Sorry,
Simply
sir.
you are talking all these nonsense. It is 120 crore property, sir. Anything might have happened. It could be a well-planned kidnap also.
I don't know, sir.
You may get some phone calls. In case you get, you please let me know.
Okay, sir. I have informed the cybercrime. They are on the way, sir.
Can you get me a paper?
Yes, sir.
Pen, please.
Take it, sir.
120 crores. They might have kidnapped for ransom. Otherwise, it could be her lover. It could be broker problem also. Kid is also missing. So,
We have to look after the kid. Listen to me.
hmm.
When we get the fund, we'll give the kid.
Hmm.
Why do we have to torture the kid in between?
Mm-hmm.
You guys think that torturing the kid is cool?
No, no.
If you irritate her anymore,
no, no,
you'll
no.
face the consequences. Careful.
We won't repeat it
Please
again.
don't do
Trust us.
anything.
At least from now onwards, be careful.
Okay,
Definitely,
okay.
sir.
You think you're smart by doing such things? Hmm? Find a way to transfer that fund.
Hello?
Sir, I'm calling from a check post near the airport. We have checked the cameras thoroughly. There is no lorry that has crossed from 1 a.m. to 4 p.m. yesterday. As there was road deviation, heavy vehicles were not allowed here, sir.
Okay. In that area, search the godowns, all the empty places, search them immediately.
Okay, sir.
There will be a patrol vehicle, send the MMS immediately to them.
Okay, sir.
Anytime, if you get any information, please let me know immediately.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Sir, are you? Yeah.
Madam, pay close attention to my words. Okay? Police are coming. Don't do any mistakes, okay? As of now, take the laptop and don't stand near the door. Go inside the bathroom and hide yourself over there. Right now. If not, I'll definitely kill your kid. Pay close attention to my words. Okay? Go near that bathroom pillar. Your hands are visible. Sit carefully. Sit now. Come with me. How many guys are here?
There are 2 people here.
Come inside, sir.
What kind of a company is this? Computer hardware company, sir.
What is the news, sir?
Tell me, dear. Yes, my dear. It's not like that. I'm free. You can talk to me. What's there inside? Computer hardware,
such
sir.
a thing?
Kindly don't listen to him. He speaks bullshit, dear. What's there in this
The only
room?
person
Sir,
you
this
can
is
trust is
boss's
me.
conference room.
You know how much I adore you.
Open the door. I
Yeah.
have to investigate.
I
I'm
really
listening
don't
to
have
you.
the key now, sir. It's with the
Yeah,
boss.
you can talk
What's
to me
there in
anytime.
this room then?
We are using this room, sir.
Open it
Yeah,
then.
yeah, I'm listening,
Ah.
dear. There's nothing as such. Yeah, you can talk to me. I would do anything for you. Kindly let me know.
If it's not for you, whom should I do all these things for? Last week I bought you a lot of gifts, right? It's my responsibility to give you the gifts. Rest everything is for others. I'm just kidding. Why do you take it seriously? Find out what's there in that box. Hey, open that box. Just kidding. You have to take these things lightly. Sir, it's just computer parts. You carry on, dear. What shall I do? My responsibilities are like that. Open the door. Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Hey, you guys are doing no wrong, right?
Nothing, sir.
It's not for you, dear. I've been talking here.
Shh. Close your eyes. Don't utter a word. If you make any noise, I'll definitely kill your mother.
Okay, I'll call you later. What did they say? A lady and who else is missing? There's a girl child who is also missing, sir.
Okay, sir. I'll definitely inform you, sir.
Mummy, please get up, Mummy. Mummy. here, mummy.
Baby, just wait. Mommy will come, okay?
Mummy, did you come? Mummy, here only they hit me.
Hey, what are you
We
guys
should rush
looking
towards
at?
her. Guys, hurry up.
She's
She's
escaped.
escaping. No, sir, she's not going to escape.
Look over there.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Hey! Leave her. Leave that kid. I told you to leave that kid.
Mummy, no, leave her.
Leave her.
My mummy, leave her. Leave her, baby. Leave her to me.
Go.
No,
Hey,
no,
put the kid
leave
inside.
her. No, please don't do it. Please.
her.
No,
I can't do
no,
that.
Just stay
You
there.
think you can escape? Hey, come here.
Leave, mummy. Mummy,
Come.
I need mummy.
Hey.
Leave me.
Come, I told you.
Mummy, I need mummy. Leave me. Leave. Let me go.
Hey,
No, I won't go.
I told you, right? Don't make any noise. Hey, go inside. Hmm?
Sir,
Huh?
to the accident spot yesterday,
Hmm.
do you remember who all went in that ambulance, sir?
I don't know. I was not in the duty. You can ask the reception here. Just give me a moment. Sridhar. Sir? Yesterday night, who all traveled in the ambulance? Can you inform them, please?
Okay, sir.
Actually, yesterday night, no one were there. It was me and the driver who went.
Did you see any girl and a child in that
I didn't
spot?
find anything like that. Hello? Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, it's Home Secretary from Delhi.
Hello? Yes, sir. No, sir, we haven't informed the media. We may require Interpol's help also for this case, sir. If you can arrange for that, it'll be good, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir. Their hometown is Chidambaram. They studied in Annamalai University over there. In the same college, even Prabha studied. It's at the same timeline he proposed Prabha. He was a rank student while studying. Then he traveled abroad for work. Now he's a manager in a small company. When I inquired about him, he's a very decent guy. He never interfered in anyone's life. But that's not going to be a deciding factor, sir.
First, you get him here. Let us do the inquiry and then we'll
Okay,
decide.
sir.
Madam, get up. I want you to come and sit over there.
Do not touch.
Madam, I think you're undermining my potential and my boss's potential, okay? We are not small people. My boss is 10 times smarter than you. For that only, you just have to transfer that fund ASAP for your good only. If not, you, your husband, your child will definitely not survive. If you want to know more information about us, look at this DVD. This is only your last chance. Those are uncensored versions.
Are you a human being? You are an animal. You have recorded of women taking bath in the bathroom. Are you not ashamed? Don't you have women at home?
Transfer the fund.
Oh, I have been telling you. Phew! You brutal rascal! Where the hell are you coming from?
Yes! I'm a brutal rascal. I'm also coming from same hell you're coming from. United States of America. Yes. Even I completed my education over there. When I was working over there, I was very happy that I was working for Fortune 500 company. Until global recession hit us. All of a sudden, I came to platform. I'd borrowed a lot of money. It was a tough time for me. House, car, I lost everything. At that time, my sister had engaged to someone. I was the one who looked after the expenses. 25 lakhs was required for my sister's engagement. I had no clue what to do. I was standing as an orphan in America. Only then, one person came, gave me this assignment. There was no other way. I agreed to it. The problem you're facing right now, even I was facing the same problem. You told me, right? I was a wild beast. If I was a wild beast, would I have killed the one who tried to rape you? That was the first murder that I committed in my life. When I saw you for the first time, I thought about my sister. For that, I shot Maya. This is a big master plan. From this, even if I try, even I cannot escape from here. Neither can you. You decide for yourself. Okay. Now we are facing a problem right now. We are caught in a trap. You can save your kid only by transferring the fund. Do you respect money or your child's life? My sister's life is important for me. I want money for her marriage. You don't have any financial crisis. If not this, you have bungalow, car, estate, mills, etc. and etc. But for that, please, transfer the fund.
Okay.
Thanks.
Data card.
I'll bring it right now. Che, go bring carpet, man. Right now, sit under the table. Sit now. Here you go. Fast. Cover it up.
The door is already open. You go and watch there. I saw a shoe here. Where is it? What shoe are you talking about? You don't know? No, sir, I don't know. You really don't know? Really, I don't know. The door is open. You told only MD had the key. Did the MD came back? He hasn't come, sir. Where is the kid, man? What kid are you talking about, sir? Even you don't know, right? Yeah, sir. What, guys? You constantly changing your stance? Tell me, where have you hidden the small
Which
kid?
lady, sir?
You don't know, right? Huh?
Uh-huh.
Please.
Hmm.
Welcome, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Please be seated.
Thank you, sir. What happened to Prabhati, madam, sir?
Recently, they did a real estate deal with you, right?
Yeah.
We just wanted to inquire about that.
What is the doubt, sir?
Is there a problem with this property?
Absolutely nothing, sir. No issues, sir. Even their payment settlement is neat and white.
Who is the mediator here?
Straight, sir. Actually, we went to the place and saw it. It's prime location. We liked it. We directly visited her. But the deal took some time. But she's straight, sir. She wanted to do everything within a legal boundaries, sir. She paid her taxes here, finished all the formalities. We transferred all the amount to her US account.
Is there
sir.
any other legal beneficiary other than Prabhavati?
No, sir. She's the only daughter.
Anyone else is involved in this?
As per our knowledge, no one else is involved. It's just her parents and her husband.
Okay, in case if you get to know that anyone else is involved in this, please let me know.
Sure, sir.
Okay? Thank you.
Sure, sir.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, Rajesh is receiving an international call.
Please call them.
Fast.
Attend this immediately. Record the call.
Hello, Mr. Rajesh.
Who is
How
it?
are you?
Who are
How
you?
are you doing?
What do you want?
Do you know where your wife and your kid is?
What happened?
Hmm?
What happened to my wife and my kids? What happened?
Don't make noise. Now both of them are in my custody. If you do what I say, I'll let
Tell
go
me what
them
I have to do.
both. Huh?
What are your demands?
I'll talk about my demands later. I'll call on the same number later. If you try to inform this to the police and become an hero, your wife and kids will be murdered.
My wife and my kid, huh? Sir, it's disconnected, sir.
Calm down, calm down. Hey, buddy, what are you thinking?
By tomorrow, we'll be getting the remaining amount, right?
Give me the tea, man. We don't know whether we'll be there tomorrow. You're asking we'll get money or something?
What are you saying? It's been very scary.
Yes, man. We were called here by Maya. They killed Maya itself.
Please don't scream at any cost. They have killed the police officers.
Hey, buddy.
Huh?
Even I'm scared, man.
Huh?
Person showing his fear outside is public.
Huh?
One who doesn't is rowdy.
Huh?
We all are rowdy, right?
Huh?
Shh. Hey, don't make noise. Don't
Does
make
he
noise.
really want this built up?
Good morning, sir. Where is that lady, man? Which lady, sir? What, man? You act as though you don't know anything? You loved her, right, Prabhavati? You asked me where I have kept that lady, right? I've kept her here, sir. Hey, his dad didn't agree for your marriage, that's why you have kidnapped her now, right? What is this, sir? Just like in a movie, even in reality, police behaves like this? Then, didn't you love that girl? Yes, sir. I was in love with her, sir, genuinely. When I approached and proposed her, she only told me to talk to her dad. She said if he is okay, I am also okay. She's a very good lady, sir. Very straightforward. When I actually met her father, he said, I'll only give my daughter to a foreign guy. They said it's their long time wish. That's why they didn't want to get her married to me. They told me this and they wanted me to leave. After that, I didn't disturb that girl, sir. Like her dad wished, she also wanted to move abroad. I too left my job in India and went to America, sir. After working there for 2 years, when I came to the airport in India, there my Prabha, she was about to go to America with her husband permanently. That's when I got to know she got married. I was really upset, sir. But I do love her, sir. That's why I kept quiet. My love still remains with me, sir. Because my love is true. Okay, leave all that. Go. If I call you for inquiry, you have to come. For some days, don't go anywhere outside. I will not go, sir. I'll leave now. He
Sir.
looks like a very innocent guy.
Okay,
Still,
sir.
you keep an eye on
Yes,
him.
sir.
Madam, if you transfer the fund quickly, we can leave this place as soon as possible. Police also came here. I don't think it's safe to be here anymore. For that, only transfer the fund quickly. What are you thinking about? Do you want anything?
I want my baby. I have agreed to transfer fund, right? You can give my baby back to me, no? Please.
Okay.
You have the internet connection now. You can transfer the amount to us.
Yes, boss. Tell me. Boss? She's transferring right now. She's typing the account number. That process is going on, boss. Yes, boss. That is not a problem. We actually killed both the policemen. Boss? Who is coming? Chandralekha madam, huh? Okay, boss. I'll follow it up. Hey, what happened, dude?
There is a network issue over here.
Why is that?
So it's Mr. Stephen from Interpol.
Hello? Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Inspector,
Sir.
can you get the facts?
Okay, sir.
Huh. Hmm? Did they transfer the funds?
Oh, network problem.
Uh-huh. Network problem. For this long? Uh-huh. Why is this kid disturbing us? Hey, what are you looking? Kill her, man. Are you all watching a show here?
Isai, come here.
If you want your kid alive, transfer right away. Manager, come and check here. Check, I say. You're telling a story since morning. Now you can't do that. Come on, fast. Give your phone here. Hello, boss. Network problem. That's why it got late. I'll try to rectify it. It will be done in some time. Okay, boss. You please wait in the car.
60,
I will come and join you in
65.
some time. Okay, boss.
70.
Sure, thank you.
75, 80, 90, 100. Success.
Very good. Hey, shoot them both. Huh? You don't want to shoot?
Sorry, madam. Boss only told me to kidnap. He told me to transfer the fund. That's it. I can't shoot her. That is not my work also.
What are you saying? Which boss are you talking about? I am the boss here. Mind it. Shoot them.
Impossible,
Hey,
madam.
if you don't shoot now...
Hello, madam.
I want money.
Sir.
Bro. Sorry, ma. Go. Go away from this, please. Very fast, madam.
Mummy, I'm scared. Daddy?
Sorry, Prabha.
I love you, Rajesh.
I love you
I
too.
love you so much.
Prabha, I'm here, right?
What happened, Daddy? Did they hit you also? So sad of Mummy,
Don't worry,
Daddy.
my sunshine. Your father is here, right? Right?
Rajesh.
My sweet child. What happened, Prabha? Why are you crying? What actually happened over here?
They had kidnapped us, Rajesh. They asked me to transfer 120 crores we had in our account.
It's only money, right? Let it go. You're very important for me, Prabha. Right? You should have transferred that amount, Prabha.
I had transferred, Rajesh.
Did you really do it? Then why are they torturing you like this? See now.
No, Rajesh, stop.
Huh?
He only saved me.
He was the one who helped you, huh? Mhm. Thank you. Thank you very much. Right? 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 Hi. Your name is Vijay Ram. Right? I've heard about you. My manager Gerald Joseph told about you. You lost your bank job. Right? You want 25 lakhs for your sister's marriage. Right? Now you're in a very bad situation. You can't even afford flight ticket. If you do whatever I say, your problem will be solved. You'll get the money that's required for you. Tell me if you're okay with it. I'll arrange you the flight ticket. To a 5-star hotel. 26 early morning at 2:30. There'll be an accident. Accident. Right? Right? Madam. My boss. You were asking for him, right? It is sir only. He's my boss. He was the one who told me to kidnap you, madam. Whatever you say, my wife won't believe you, man. Because she's my Prabha. Madam, the one who installed spy camera in your house, it was sir only. He also told me all your personal details, madam. For my consciousness, I did not say it. What, boss? Right?
Don't touch me.
Prabha, you won't believe me.
Gee. Are you really a human? You kept camera in bathroom and bedroom. I feel ashamed. I had doubt. There was nobody at home apart from us. And I trusted you. Gee.
All my performance until now went down the drain. How long should I wear this on my head? Check. The doctor did not pay attention to my words. He overreacted. You guys don't leave me to be a hero until the end, right? Now I'm a villain to you guys. Right? Shit! You somehow managed to find me, bro. Brilliant. Bad boy. What, man? I told you to do one job of transferring the amount, right? Instead of doing it, you're helping her and creating a sentiment scene. You're trying to be a hero or what? If a bank gives an employment opportunity to a guy like you, what will happen to it?
Mummy!
Okay, beautiful. You know everything about me. You were actually told to transfer all the money in your account. You have transferred only little money to my account. You think you're smart or what? No problem. You're my wife, right? If you can't do this, what's the use?
After marriage, I have spent 5 years.
She
with
began,
you.
dude.
And to cheat me like this. How could you do this? Since 5 years, you have been acting now. Just look at the baby. You have cheated her also, no?
Ay. How many times should I listen to this dialogue? What's your problem? Women like you will never leave the sentiment dialogues or what? It's okay. You come here, beautiful. Are you scared by looking at your father? Let us initiate a play with your mother right
Okay,
now.
Daddy.
Okay. You should just follow whatever I say. What you have to do right now is just to sit only.
Okay, Daddy.
Transfer the fund quickly. If not, I'll kill your daughter right now.
Don't do her anything. I will transfer the fund.
Simply for fun, Mummy.
My beautiful daughter. You'll transfer it now? You should just transfer all the funds right now.
Please, make it fast.
Make it quick. Prabha, no. No, Prabha. No, Prabha. No, Prabha. Prabha, no. Prabha, no. Prabha, no. Prabha, no.
Think women are so cheap?
Prabha. Prabha, I'm your loving husband.
Enough of your useless sentiments. Now women have all changed a lot. Worshipping husband and all has gone far now. Even if it is husband who cheated on, women is strong enough to kill him also. If I leave you, you will spoil other women's life. People like you should not be alive. Death is your proper punishment.
Madam, for whatever mistakes I did, for my greediness, I should definitely get some punishment. I know I did some grave mistake. I need some punishment, madam. Today, if you're in this bad situation, I'm also a reason. I'll punish myself, madam. Give it.
Freeze!
Drop the gun. Sir. Kneel down, man.
No, sir, please. He's the reason I am alive. Don't do anything to him. Please.
Leave him.
Yes, sir. Please come. Prabha,
Prabha.
Ramesh, sir.
Granny.
It's all right. It's all right.
safe, no,
Your
Prabha.
grandfather has come. Don't worry. Aren't you ashamed to call yourself a doctor? Get inside.
Prabha. What happened to you? He is the one, Mom. Baby. He is the one who saved me. My husband is not good, Mom. He cheated on me all these years. Don't cry, Prabha.
It will be all right.
Sir, reason behind everything is my husband.
Yes,
I know.
we know.
I
Yes,
know.
we know.
We know your husband is a criminal. He has many
lot of
cases in many
on his
countries.
name.
He has
He
been
runs
running a fake matrimonial
page
site and has ruined life of a lot of
women.
girls. He has not been caught even in one case because he don't use regular criminals. He only uses people like this who want money, that's it.
We can discuss about the case later. Let us hospitalize him first. Inspector. Yes, sir.
Forgive me, child. I'm sorry, Ma. Sorry.
We are very grateful.
Thanks
to
a lot.
for
You have
saving
saved
our
my daughter and granddaughter.
Bye.
Bye, Uncle. Bye. Mummy, what happened to that uncle?
Thanks a lot, sir.
Leave all your thanks and gratitude. Why these parents are like this? When a baby is in the womb yet to be born, that time itself you guys will decide which hospital and what time it should be born. After the delivery, even if it gets a small scratch or just a cold, you will take him to a specialist. Even while buying a cloth, you will do window shopping in 4 places. When it comes to school and education, you will inquire everywhere. While you take care so many of these things in the everyday activities of a child or a woman, when it comes to marriage, why do you guys check online and decide on a bride without proper inquiry about his background? My son-in-law is in America. My son-in-law is in London just for you to boast in front of others. Just because you have a craze about this, without even proper inquiry, you'll get your daughter married to a scoundrel like this and ruin her life.
Lot of innocent girls have lost their lives because of this. Even in Canada, a very innocent girl, her husband, for the sake of insurance money, even without considering she is pregnant, he tried killing her. That girl, she is still in coma. For these things, don't think foreign son-in-law is a great choice.
If they have a Bill Gates, we have Ambani. If there is Steve Jobs, here Narayan Murthy. If there is Henry Ford, here Ratan Tata. If they have Michael Jackson, we have Prabhu Deva. Even we have good educated and knowledgeable persons here. At least now you understand this.
We have
understand
made a mistake, sir. Please forgive us. Thank you so much, sir. Please come.